Hey everybody, this is Bill. Welcome back to the channel, where we primarily cover three topics: stock market and real estate investing, and college football. Today, we're talking stocks. Within the last quarter, since in my view it appears we are on the precipice of the legalization of cannabis across the country, and given the enormous opportunities that appear to exist in this total addressable market, I sought to find some stocks that would meet my criteria, allowing me to initiate some exposure in this arena. It is noted, however, that although I do not view cannabis for personal use favorably, I have no issues with those who do, and I fully understand the positive side of the legalization position. I previewed four stocks that I felt fell within my personal criteria that allow me to participate in this market. Those stocks were Evogene, Innovative Industrial Properties, Enveric Biosciences, and Lexaria Bioscience. Innovative Industrial Properties, which I had the most conviction of the four, has performed the best, rising from about $191 a share up to $240 a share, but the others are all down. We got an inquiry from one of our viewers, Joshua, who asked us to provide an update on our thoughts on one of these stocks, Enveric Biosciences. We really do appreciate all our subscribers and viewers, so in this instance, we decided to take Joshua up on his suggestion. When we did the video on Enveric Biosciences, the stock was trading around $2.33. Now the stock remains searching for a bottom at $1.81. What is wrong? Has anything happened? Well, let's get a look at any recent news to see if there's anything material that we need to focus on. Over at Seeking Alpha, we don't find anything material listed. In review of the newsworthy items at Finviz.com, we do find an article about CBD trials that are integral for the future of the success of Enveric Biosciences. On August 18th, we do find a letter to the shareholders from CEO David Johnson, who offers some clarity on the Magic Med merger, the progress of the clinical trials, and expansion of the patent portfolio. All of this information and summarization appears to be positive as we evaluate it. Let's now check the IBD ratings. Previously, the composite rating was 14 and there was a B+ accumulation rating. Now, while the composite rating remains poor at 18, which is expected given the recent stock performance, we do note the accumulation rating remains positive at C+. In reviewing the IBD data box, we can conclude that this stock is searching for a bottom. A conclusion from all this data is that this is not a stock currently that should be bought. However, for those who wish to speculate, hopefully with money that you can afford to lose, there is plenty of potential to appreciate here. Now, looking at the chart from TradingView.com, we can see the recent downtrend the stock has been in. This charting formation is unfortunately common on many stocks of emerging companies, as the overall market has in recent weeks viewed these types of companies as unfavorable, creating a ton of selling pressure. If we zoom in to focus on recent trading activity, we can see that the stock is making an effort to break the downtrend and move higher. While there is no conviction here, or significant volume to cast this move in stone, it is a welcome sight. We'll have to keep an eye to see if buyers come in to place some power behind this move. Enveric Biosciences appears to be in a long bottoming process, and the future of success is not a given. I have recently added in this range, but this stock is very speculative and only currently represents 0.023 of my overall portfolio. If Enveric can get a catalyst to get an uptrend with a strong accumulation and volume initiated, we can see there is a huge range and gap to fill, and the stock could potentially reach old highs of around $35. But I don't know what I'm having for dinner tonight, so what can I tell you? But I am in the stock small. I want to make it clear that I'm not advising anybody to buy or sell this stock. I just pontificate from the end of the bar, and I'm nobody's financial advisor. Just educating and informing of my activities in the event that anyone is interested, which of course is questionable. So we like and hold the stock here, watching and waiting. Are you in Enveric Biosciences or considering buying or selling it? Drop us some comments with your thoughts and let us know. Well, anyway, if you enjoy the video and are interested in some stock talk, please consider subscribing and liking our page. Otherwise, no worries. We certainly appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.